discuss. Yes, we will discuss consistency and data integrity. Okay. So first of all, what do you understand from this? What is consistency and data integrity?
Consistency is all the users seeing the same data, and whatever data I key in, it should go as it is. The no system will change the data. So if I'm entering a product name, it should remain the product name. There should not be any change. So everybody should see the same data. That is consistency and integrity.
Yes. So basically, that's fine. But here we are talking about a contract between two parties.
Ah,
Right. In our
yes.
system, we have a front end and back end.
Backend, yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So back end and front end means should have some contract. If
Yeah.
there is no contract and they are not following that contract, things will break. You
Yes.
understand my point?
Yes.
Let's say means in that contract they will back end will tell, hey, I will means you need to send and I will return this.
Yeah, right.
You understand my point?
Right. Right.
They will tell the you can say this front end, hey,
Ah,
you need to send this to me in the
yes.
context of this request. I will respond this way.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
And the front end will also know what I will get and
Ah,
how I need to represent.
yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So in this consistent data integrity, we talk about this.
Ah, yes.
Okay, data consistent data integrity.
Right.
So in this manner, but as you know, means changes are there. Am I
Ah,
right? We
yes.
cannot say means we are done and our system is work perfectly. But changes are there.
Mm,
So how we will incorporate those changes so
mm.
that our existing user will not disturb. Could you
Correct.
tell me about those?
Correct.
What do you think? What we need to do then?
Uh,
Let me rephrase my question again. Let's say you have one contract, am I right?
okay.
For your rent agreement or anything,
Right.
and that need to be renewed, am I right?
Yes.
That need to be renewed.
Yes.
So what you will do? Just think in a means it cannot be adapted
Mm,
or arbitrary manner. Okay, and it should be you can say follow whatever is there. We
mm,
want those things as well, and
mm,
we introduce new you can say this terms.
mm.
So how you will do that?
Now, both of us will be having a copy of the contract. So once if let's say now I am the owner and I want to renew the contract with my tenant, then at the end of the tenure, we just go and sit along, and then uh, if uh, if if there is no change in terms and conditions, uh, only the period I will say, okay, from this date to this date, you are going to continue staying in my premises. One is that as it is, everything is same, no change, only the date change, only the contract date is changed. Everything else continues. Whereas in case if it is a change, so what I do is to the existing contract, I add or I may remove one or two points. For example, I may say every year, earlier I'd agreed that 5% increase in the rent earlier, but now my terms and conditions are changing because of various conditions. I'm going to revise that 5% to say 8% increase every year. So for this, I first propose it. If the tenant agrees, okay, I'm ready to accept this change in the contract. So we change the clause from 5% to 8%, and then That is for the new period. We change the dates, and then we sign. We agree upon, both of us are on the same page. We agree upon the new condition, and we sign, and then we exchange the contract. So in this way, everything is same except the percentage increase and the change in the date. So in no way the tenant is affected. Like, I'm not asking him to temporarily move out, then do some changes and then come back here. No, he can continue staying as it is. Everything remains the same except the period and the percentage of increase.
Okay. So basically, in a virtual term or engineer term, we can say that we will introduce some more fields,
Ah.
and other fields, the earlier fields are intact,
Mm.
and those are optional there. Okay.
Mm.
So that new means new tenant will take care of those, but
Mm.
existing one don't need to take care, and we will give some relaxation or whatever.
Yeah.
But they are not they were not they were not in fact affected.
Correct.
Okay. So now you can check this means we require what this defining clear system contracts, which we
Ah.
discussed. Okay.
Right. Right.
So in our defining, we need to tell me what is the behavior, what is input, what is output, and guarantee of an interface, because interface also give us a that thing only. Am I right?
Correct.
If interfaces are, you can say, user able to interact with our system with the help of interface.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So when it's required, when we are designing our interface or APIs.
Yes.
So in a, you can say, plain English, whatever we discuss, you can check that. It's an
Mm.
agreement between two parties.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And what we need to take care in this, because we are considering input, output, am I right?
Yes.
So for input and output, we need to spec means format, request format, response format, validation.
Yes.
Okay, and how transition rules are there, state
Correct.
transition rules, error error semantics, retry expectation, idempotency guarantees.
Ah.
Means whatever means we discussed earlier,
Ah.
we need to means define those.
Right.
What is the meaning of those there?
Mm.
Because in a retry as well, we cannot say retry is only for one thing. It can
Mm.
be a different thing. So
Ah.
we need to cater differently.
Correct.
Now means we need to define like what is the field there are for input. Okay, and what are the required field and what are the optional field.
Mm.
Because if we will use duplicate things, so it will means unnecessary we are overloading our
Overloading.
system.
Yes. Correct.
Now, what do you understand from versioning and backward compatibility?
Okay. Like, see, in the same example of rent agreement, when I change the date and when I change the percentage of increase, so the first time for the first contract, what we gave was, let's say it is called as version 1.0. Next year, when I change the day, when there's a change, date, basically date will definitely get changed. Percentage may or may not be changed. So the moment I change the date, that becomes 1.1. So that is called versioning. And let's say, within 3 months, I add something, maybe some understanding we come to, and I add something. I do some changes in the contract. So that becomes 1.2. So like this, if the moment I touch my contract and do any modification, any change I do, then I give a new version number to it, so that I know, okay, so these are the version, and this many times I have touched the contract or modified the contract. So now let us say it is charging at 1.5 means for 5 times some changes have happened in the contract. That is versioning. I keep track of versioning and the date of the change. Now, backward compatibility. Now, whatever was there earlier, that remains intact. I may add or I may remove certain components in the contract. So when I go back, what was earlier the first contract, what was signed, that should be the intact for the with the latest one, whatever changes we have done. So anytime I go back, it should remain there as it is.
Yes. Yes, sir, for versioning means, let's say in a means there are some changes which can break. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So we don't want to disturb existing users, so we will come up with a versioning. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Hey, if user means not sending, and there are different way to accept a version.
Hmm. Hmm.
One way you can use in a your endpoint only, like
Hmm.
this way.
Hmm.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Version one order, version two order. Am I right?
Yes.
And another one you can accept from you can say this header or from request. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Based on that, you can work accordingly.
Yes.
And and that time means when you are accepting that, you are proceeding. When you are done means when you are done with the testing and everything, and when you are good,
Ah,
then you can just accept that only one and
hmm.
suspend your existing version.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
So there is a, you can say, safe changes and breaking changes.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
what do you understand? What are the safe changes? In means what you need to take care so that it should be safe, and what are the breaking changes? So if you talk about safe changes, whatever is there, we are not touching on
We are
that.
not touching that. Yes, exactly. And whatever we add, that should not disturb the existing ones.
Yes. So basically, we are not changing anything in our existing system.
Correct.
We are just enhancing. We are
Yeah.
not
Right.
updating, or we are just enhancing. So
Enhancing.
in this manner, it's a safe. If
Correct.
we are just changing the, you can say, key name
Hmm.
or data type there, am
Hmm.
I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Or you can say data type, or we are changing the value as well.
Hmm.
Earlier it's a storing a string value. Now we
Hmm.
are saying, hey, it will store a array.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And based on a contract, or you can say front end in using that only. You
Hmm.
understand my point? Then it
Right.
will break changes. Am I right?
Right. Right. Right.
So this is an example, like this earlier we have this, these two
Hmm.
fields are there, and now we introduce one more field,
Hmm.
estimate delivery time,
Right. Right.
and it's a optional.
Ah.
Client continue to work.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Right.
So, and error handling at a system boundaries.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
As in earlier sessions, we discuss about these boundaries. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Boundaries should be there.
Right.
Okay, so in this boundary, we will define how failure will be represented, communicated, and recorded from,
Right. Right.
recovered from.
Record. Yeah. Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
and if we not handle properly,
Hmm. Hmm.
okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
then it's a data is corrupted, and
Right.
we will not get a desired output.
Right. Right.
Or when we need to decide,
Hmm.
means when we are interacting.
Yes.
Interaction is there. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
And means, as we discussed earlier as well, means clear distribution validation error, as I told you.
Yeah.
Error also have their type.
Yeah.
Validation error,
Right.
retriable errors,
Right.
means which can recover,
Right.
which we
Right.
can recover from error. Permanent failure
Right.
means in a payment process.
Right.
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 Let's say server payment server means payment provider server is down.
Ah.
Payment gateway server is down. What we
Ah.
can do?
Yeah.
We cannot do anything.
Correct. We can't do anything. Correct.
Okay.
Right.
So means when one system fail, the other system must know what kind of failure happened.
Yes. Correct.
Like front and or user need to know what kind of failure. It can be
Correct.
recoverable, not recoverable.
Mm.
I am doing something wrong. That's why this occurred.
Mm, 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 mm.
So good boundary means define this. Means
Yes.
it need to be, as we discussed earlier as well.
Yeah.
We need to think beyond the, you can say, something like, could we divide this thing into a more categories,
Ah,
or systematic way we can partition more there or not.
right. Right.
So for that means boundaries, good boundaries error handling should be defined categories,
Correct.
and what is the different codes are there. Am
Right.
I right?
Right.
And human readable message, not a
Yes.
technical message, and ID should be there.
Correct.
Based on that, you can, let's say, means when in a process, our data flow from one point to another point. Maybe in that process, we have a time steps involved.
Right.
Am I right? So
Right.
we need to know that means with the help of the ID.
Yes. Correct.
So validation, because whatever we are doing, uh, means in that process every means everywhere this error occurs,
Ah,
like if we
ah,
talk about authorization, authentication,
ah.
am I right, as
Correct.
well as if we talk about validation, or you can say server error should be there,
Right.
system error should be there, payment business,
Right.
or we have some dependencies, am I
Right.
right,
Right.
that also fail. So in that case, the meaning of the error and everything should be changed.
Correct.
And that means code and message also need to be changed.
Yeah. Right. 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 Right.
And based on that, we need to define those are require a retry or not. That's a validation error. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
If a means input is wrong, then
Yes.
user need to send a right input.
Right. Information.
Right.
Correct.
In, retry don't not required there.
Mm, mm, mm.
You understand my point?
Yes. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
In this manner, if you
Mm.
categorize this way, then
Okay.
you will get a better answer
Ha.
and
Ha.
you
Ha.
have a better control.
Correct. Correct.
Keep this thing in mind. If
Ah.
you can break down in a
Mm,
small chunks, then you
mm.
have a better control,
Right. Right.
better scalability and reliability. But
Mm, mm.
controlling part, you need to take a pain.
Right. Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So why categorization matter? Could you tell me? Now you have some idea there. Why?
So if you take a very general different example, for example, say in a library, there are thousands of books. I cannot just dump all the books in one shelf in one place. So for me to retrieve the books easily, I categorize the books based on their genre, based on the authors, based on the type of subject matter. So when I categorize them, then if I want some topic to be, if someone user is asking for some topic or some type of book or some particular author, then very easily I can just go through and then go to the particular category, then search for the particular author, and then come and give it. So my maintaining of the whole books will become very easy, and then retrieval becomes very easy. Storage will become very easy. Tomorrow, let's say due to some space constraint, I want to move a set of books to some other location. So what I can do, I can always say, okay, this particular category of books, I'm moving it to some other place. So if someone asks for something, let's say, for example, some other place means, let's say first floor, second floor. So now if someone asks, then I know, okay, over this set of categories are in the second floor. So I will send them to second floor. So thereby my maintenance will become very easy and smooth, and retrieval will be very easy for anyone for that matter. So this is where I think we use the category in a very, very big way in our normal day-to-day life.
Yes. Okay. So now integration design principle.
Ah,
What principle we need to follow when we go for integration? Am I right?
ah,
So for that, guide how system connect while preserving independence.
mm, mm,
Now means we will work together,
mm,
but all together we are a different entities.
mm, 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 mm,
In our office, we are work on a project.
mm,
That time our objective same,
mm,
but
mm,
means we are individual entities. Means some are developers, some are DevOps, engineer, am I right?
mm.
Or
Yes,
some are operation team.
yes,
So means so we need to take care of your this loosely coupling.
correct,
If those are tightly coupled, then if something is break, then it will impact
correct.
uh, second party as well.
Yes, correct.
You understand my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
So when we're designing this integration, then we need to think about this.
Right.
How we can loosely couple and how we can use this thing.
Mm,
Am I right?
correct,
But
correct.
how they can communicate.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay. Without becoming dependent on each other.
Yeah.
Okay. Good integration design favors. Definitely means whatever we learned earlier, it's doing same thing. I mean,
Mm, yeah, correct.
loosely coupling, stable interfaces,
Yes.
async communication where appropriate,
Appropriate. Yes, correct.
isolation of failure,
Mm, mm.
independent deployment. So
Requirement.
means if something is failed, then another should be work up and
Working.
running.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, as I told you, and means I am suggesting you again and again. Means things will things will repeat again and again.
Ah, ah,
So if you know the earlier thing, then it's good.
ah.
So revision is required,
Yes,
and we learn also.
correct.
Monitoring is required.
Required. Yes.
Okay. So okay, if we will not do this
Mm, mm,
design favor,
mm.
then bad integration example.
Ah,
Order service and delivery service both directly update the same database table
correct, correct.
because this is the you can say you will not separate the thing.
Mm,
You
mm,
will
mm.
keep everything in the same table. So
Right,
they are doing updating and everything,
right.
which is you can say we are not maintaining the ownership,
Mm,
and we
mm,
are you can say if someone do that change, which
mm.
we idiopatency, which we discussed, and we discuss as some pessimistic and optimistic.
Optimistic. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so so in this hard to track changes, data integrity risk, no clear ownership.
Mm,
Am I
mm,
right?
mm, mm. Yes.
So for that means when we talk about this better integration, loosely coupling,
Mm.
independent scaling, clear responsibility, easier evaluation. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, now schema evaluation. What you understand from this?
See, schema in the context of database where I have come across is nothing but schema is a user which has got its own privileges. So others cannot trespass on the privileges. So this is what I mean. At least in terms of database, I come across schema. They say this schema or say inventory schema, finance schema. So uh, schema, yeah, I think it's nothing but an user with its own privileges. Am I correct?
Yes. So basically, schema means structure.
Okay.
Can think of a main structure of the data.
Ah.
Like in a structure, we will say what are the properties are there, what is their value, and what is the type there. Those
Mm.
are schema,
Okay.
data format over time, and
Mm.
it can be changed. Am I
Mm.
right?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So that need to be defined in a request response everywhere.
Okay. Okay.
Need to be whatever event API stored need to be evolved. Okay.
Mm. 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 Mm.
As product growth, data structure also change. Am I right?
Right. Right.
Let's say means right now you are you are just serving a North Indian. When
Ah.
you introduce the you can say South Indian.
Ah. Right.
Ingredients maybe in a North Indian we require two three ingredients
Mm. Mm. Mm.
or we are not providing a topping, but
Right. Right.
there in a Italian or things we require topping as well.
Right.
So
Right.
schema is changing.
Mm.
Means
Mm.
data requirement or these things are changing. We
Mm.
need
Mm.
to do that.
Yeah. Right.
Am I right?
Right.
So adaptive changes first optional field instead of required field.
Right.
Because when we are adapting and we don't want to break our existing system, that time we will go with the optional.
Correct.
Hey, okay. And uh, and we need to mention a deprecation periods as well.
Mm.
So
Mm.
that user we will give a time to the user, hey, new application or new things are available. Uh, till that, if you update the
Mm.
thing, that's
Mm.
fine. Otherwise, it will deprecate. You are not able to use our app.
Correct.
Then we will say, rather than initially saying forcefully, hey, you need to do that, we are saying no.
Mm.
We will giving you a time to
Mm.
update yourself. If you are not update, then we will do that.
Correct.
Then we will forcefully say that.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So in an event or contain these and this. This is
Mm.
journal safe if consumer ignore unknown optional field.
Right. Right.
So data integration in a distributed system.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So how we can do that? Because everything is the ownership is there, separation of concern is there,
Mm.
scalability, reliability is there.
Mm.
But there also we require contracts.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Right.
And we need to maintain accurate, consistent, and trustworthy over time.
Right.
Okay. So means if we will not maintain this, then it's a loss of our reputation.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are working with the you can say incorrect data.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Right.
Means a system, let's say you are looking for a one product and that product you already know what are the feature and thing, but
Mm.
your system is not providing a right information.
Correct.
Am I right?
Right.
So what happened there? Means trust means you will lose your trust. Trust.
Yeah. Yes. Very much.
Am I right?
Yes.
So engineer data integrator is treated by
Mm. Mm. Mm.
concurrent updates. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Duplicate request.
Yes.
So contract drift.
Right.
Okay, retry misuse.
Yes.
So means you can think of wherever you are interacting with the data.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Then those are the you can say data integrated treated by means whenever you need to take care of this.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So, what is mechanism which
Mm.
we discussed so many times, and here itself we're repeating ourselves.
Right.
Idempotency keys should be there.
Ah. Ah.
Validation should be there. At a first point of, the contact, we will check that it's valid or not. Am I
Mm.
right?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Boundary transaction boundary should be there. Am
Correct.
I right?
Yes.
Event ordering strategies.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
deduplication logic.
Mm, mm,
So this is a, you can say, example
right.
which you can think of. Okay. So payment success, but order service timeout before making the order as a confirmed. Okay.
Right. Right.
If the system are poorly designed, the user may be changed but see the order as failed.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay.
Right.
So protecting integrity requires accessibility categories,
Mm,
clear reconciliation path,
mm.
label event for callback processing,
Right.
traceable correction ID.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
this is a visual contract,
Mm.
evaluation and integrity flow. You can check that.
Okay. Okay.
Please check.
I'm checking. See, visual. Okay. Okay. Contract evaluation integrity flow. Okay. Client tab. Then order API contract. Okay. Then verification rules. Then order service. So moment order service. Okay. Then okay. We have payment service and then publish order confirm the event. Okay, so when it comes to payment service, okay, success, then persist to correct state, then retry error, retry with back off, retry with back off 1 minute, then permanent failure, fail safely, okay, and that all will lead to integrity. Uh, okay, but here okay, retry with back of Deepak. Can you just elaborate more on that?
Yes, we will. When we move forward, you will get
Okay,
that.
fine. Okay, fine. Okay. Then when it comes to publish order confirm the event, then okay, delivery services and then data integrity. Okay, preserved. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, so uh, okay, this is a client type I have. Then order API contract I have. Then verification rules, sorry, validation rules I have. Yes. Then order services. The order services, order, then we have order payment service and publish okay fine. Then success, then retry error. Okay. And then permanent failure. Okay, fine. Then okay, present correct state, then retry with backup. Okay, then fail safely. So data integrity. Fine. Okay, that part I got. Then visual backward compatibility. Okay, old client API versus API version API version 1 are compatible response. Then core fields preserved. New client extended response. So whatever is there along with that, some extended response will be there, and then optional new fields added. Then safe eviction, right? Evolution, sorry. Okay. Okay. Backward compatibility. Okay, fine. So API version 1, V version 1 or compatible response, extended response. The core fields are preserved, optional new fields are added. Then it leads to safe evolution. Okay. Got it.
So these are the common mistakes.
We do. Okay. Change with the coordinate. Yeah, yeah, very much. Making you feel mandatory immediately. Yeah, ambiguous errors. Correct. Shared data with integration. No item potency for critical operation. Silent business rule changes. Yeah, correct. Right. Explicitly put here. Yes.
So these are the interview rules. Okay, so back off, because retry and back off
Ah.
means rather than just doing this, you can say retry frequently. Okay, we
Yes.
need to give us some pause there or breath there to our system, so that means user cannot overload
Huh.
or corrupt our you can say system
Mm,
with a
mm,
heavy this. Okay,
mm, mm,
so we need to give us some pause
mm.
to prevent server overload.
Right. Right. Right.
So it should be a, you can say 2 second, 1 second. Often add random jitter. which we
Mm.
discussed earlier as
Ah,
well.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so that's a thing which you need. Oh, this is a
Mm.
one line summary.
Okay, okay, okay. Consistency and data integrity in distributed system come from clear contracts, safe evolution, explicit error handling, and loose but reliable integration patterns. Ah, very nicely put. Okay.
Okay,
Right, right. Beautiful.
so right now we have a time.
Ah,
Okay,
yes, yes.
if you want to utilize this time for our discussion
Ah,
for
ah.
data architect thing, we
Yes,
can
yes.
utilize our
No,
time.
in fact, I want to because in my office currently, in fact, I'm thinking to tell them, yes, I have this knowledge. I know I need to move up the ladder. At least some change in profile I'm thinking of, rather than going for a regular rat race. I want to stand out of the crowd. So in that way, I'll be able to, I'll be meeting a lot of talented people up the ladder and then discuss with them. So those things will come when we choose this type of lines. So rather than a regular team lead or architect, but I want more knowledge on that. So that day you proposed me, there was, and one more thing also you told me, it's already there, it's already there. There was wondering, my God, if it is there, why I'm not taking, why I'm not putting some extra effort? On those lines, can you just brief me about that data architect role, Deepak?
So right now you are already in that domain. In a
In a
database, you
way, yes.
already know very well, but
Ah, ah.
there is a shift change only.
Oh, oh,
Earlier, you are just playing with the data and thinking about a query and this thing.
ah, tables.
Now you
Hmm.
will think beyond that and design.
Ah,
And in that, when you will go there, then you will learn this. What is data governance? Am I right?
ah, ah,
What
ah.
thing you need to take care for data governance? Am I
Okay.
right?
Ah, ah.
And what are the data modeling? And what
Okay.
are different types are there? That's
Ah,
this you can say here you are able to. These are the things
ah, ah, ah,
changing dimension,
ah, ah.
fact and dimension table, why we require that,
Okay.
and
Okay.
what are the different type of schemas is there.
Hmm, hmm,
Okay,
hmm, hmm,
so
hmm.
like star,
Ah, star
snowflake,
schema.
and
Ah,
star
yes.
schema.
Right, right.
So you will know here you will learn the trade-off. Am I
Ah,
right?
okay, okay, okay,
Then
okay.
it will upgrade.
Ah,
You understand my point?
okay, okay, okay.
And data governance, what is HIPAA said and
Ah,
what is
very much. Yes.
so what are the compliance are there and what is the purpose of that?
Ah, ah,
What
ah.
we will need to take care, what we will not need to take care,
Okay.
like this data breaks,
Ah,
what
ah, ah,
these are there.
ah,
So there you will learn everything, and it's
ah.
already there. That's why I'm saying. And I
Okay, okay.
created a one group there for
Ah,
you guys,
ah.
so that you can interact with each other and learn
Oh,
from each other on a
oh,
WhatsApp itself.
oh, okay, 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 okay.
I think so. You missed that, or I'm not able to see. I means you not drop the message there.
Ah, ah,
I want you will drop a message and interact with the you can say that database architect,
ah, ah,
or
ah.
you can share your knowledge there as well as a
Oh,
system designer.
okay, 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 okay. No, but did I get an invite? I missed this. The missed that, is it?
I don't know, but I invited you on you can say that day only Wednesday I think so. Means three-person already replied there.
Oh,
Don't know why you're not replied or you missed that. Mm,
Deepak, I could
group
definitely,
name is TechLambda team.
sorry, I could have simply missed it. That's all. But why will I miss that? I mean, I don't know how come I missed it. That's a big question mark. Generally, I'm very keen on those things, but how I missed is a big question for me.
Okay, now you are able to see that thing or not? That group.
Actually, no,
No, you are not there. You
I'm
are
not there. That's what I think. I have. Please, my kind request. Give me an invite. I'll right away. I'll join.
I am doing that. I
Yeah.
am doing. So 6 person are there. Oh, I missed that. Missed. Okay, let me add you. So actually means I am just creating that group for a person who is means doing the training with me.
Ah,
Okay, on a different you can say things,
ah, ah.
so that they can share their knowledge and
Okay.
we can means uh, create a means make a, this word beautiful. Am I right?
Yes, yes, right, right.
I added there.
Okay. Ah, okay.
So you need to introduce yourself with
Okay.
this information.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Maybe from USA, person is there. Am I
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And other persons are there from you can say some are from Bangalore, some are from Netherlands.
Okay.
So means in this manner we can you can say exchange our knowledge transfer. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
In a better manner.
Okay. 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 Right.
Hope you are able to get the answer of this. If you go with the data architect, what things you will get there.
Because you told that HIPAA and it's very, very much, see, it's a very quite niche area. I think all those things are, so definitely will be standing outside the regular crowd. So there we can make a mark and then, it will be very great impact really. So I just roughly I had read, but now when you mentioned it, I could recollect, yes, it has got its own value in the market.
You understand my point?
Data governance is a very, very interesting topic. And then, yes, not, in fact, many people don't take that. Everybody,
Yes, yes. That's why because they not means keen to learn and they don't know these
mm,
things. They are
mm,
just in a round robin and
yeah,
moving
exactly.
surrounding whatever they know.
Yes, correct.
They don't want to means enhance their knowledge.
Yes, 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 correct.
And in this group, Ambaji is there, so he is also senior person and preparing for this architect
Ah,
thing. You can take the help, and
oh,
I'm also there.
okay, 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 okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, okay, Deepak, I will do this.
videos are there.
Ah,
You
ah, ah,
can check those videos from
ah,
and that now you understand the YouTube purpose.
yeah,
Why
yeah,
we are putting everything there.
yes, 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 yes.
And without any filtering or anything,
Mm,
whatever content is there, we are sharing there.
mm,
You
mm, mm, mm.
hope now you understand the weightage and value of that content.
Very much, very much, very much, very much.
Okay,
Yes, okay, 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 okay.
so I will encourage you, please take
Ah,
the advantage of this
mm.
and just don't wait.
Ah,
Just I will say rather than just change your approach
ah,
rather than means first you will prepare then you will communicate you with your senior. No,
mm.
just communicate.
Oh, okay,
I am doing this.
okay,
Am I
okay.
right? And I want this kind of means next you can say my role. I am planning this. Take
Ah.
the control in your hand.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
When you inform this thing, that
Mm.
means you will take a responsibility
Correct, right.
which you cannot avoid.
Ah.
You understand my point?
Okay, 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 okay.
In that, if you
Ah, ah,
bound yourself with
ah.
something,
Okay, okay, okay,
then means you will need to do.
okay, okay.
If you are delaying that, then maybe you will say, "Hey, I will do later, later,
Later,
later." So I will suggest you just go ahead with this.
Okay, okay, Deepak. I will go ahead. I will definitely do it.
You
I'll go through
understand
all
my
your
point?
videos. I'll go through your YouTube videos and then I'll make some notes and then I will prepare myself mentally. And then I'll assume as if I'm playing this role now.
Yes, and you need to inform
Ah,
whomever you need to inform that so that when they ask, then let's say if there is a no deadline, or there is a no, you can say this exam. Exam dates are not there. What happened then?
Correct. We will never. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Right.
So boundary should be there.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And I will, whenever you will feel you require this content, okay, just let me know. I will share GitHub link with you.
Okay.
Invite you on a GitHub.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Deepak, we'll do that.
Okay. Then we will meet on Monday.
Monday morning. Yes, we'll meet.
Anything else?
No, anyway, now I think we can, if any doubts are there, I will call you maybe when you're free. We will do that. And coming to your, you can stop the recording. Yeah.